Hi sis, so today I will be talking about on how to start changing your life, and I will be talking about on how to actually change your mindset. I will not be talking about actions you can do to change your life because that depends on you. And the first thing to start changing your surroundings, you need to start changing what is inside of you, and that's your mentality. So I will be telling you a step by step on how to start changing your life. And actually is how to change your mentality to start living the life that you want to be living. If you think that you need to be living as the most richest person in your family or in the world, I'm going to be telling you how to have that mindset, okay? So let's start. Okay, so the first step is to accept the life that you have, okay? Accept that you are living the life that you are complaining about. If you want to change your life, if you know that you're not satisfied with the life that you're living right now, accept that you don't want this, but this is what you are now. Of course, I'm not telling you to settle with the life that you have, that you should be happy with what you already have. You can be grateful for the life that you have, but you cannot settle if this is not what you want. Like right now, I could be stuck in a 9 to 5 and be grateful, but I won't settle for this job because I know that I deserve better. I know that I want more, but I accept it and I'm still grateful. So that's the first step, to accept and be grateful for what you already have, but because things could be worse, you know? So first of all, accept what you have, be grateful. The second step is to identify what you don't like about your life, okay? Once you are grateful and that you accept that you have this type of life, identify what is making you don't like the life that you're living. Because maybe it's the relationship that you have with your partner, or maybe it's the relationship with your friends, or the job that you're working in, or the studies that you're studying. Identify the thing that is making you not wanting to have this way of living. And once you identify what you don't like about your life, that could be one thing or many things, many aspects of your life, the third step is to start planning on how you're going to change that thing that is making you unhappy, that's making you unsatisfied with your life. And by planning, I mean by, start doing some affirmations, start doing some journaling, start making a vision board. That's how you change your mindset. Because planning, first of all, you need to change your mindset and think that it is possible. When you're planning something, you're agreeing that that thing is possible for you. So first of all, you have to change the mindset, to start changing and to start acting to have what you actually want. Okay, if your desire is to change your job or to have better friendships, you need to start planning on how to do that. And how you're going to do this? By planning, by visualizing that is possible, first of all. Then you can do a vision board, you can write a bucket list, you can do different methods to start changing your mindset. What works for me is doing affirmations, because affirmations are very important for me, because that will get you there. That will make you that you are already that person, and that you already have what you actually want. If you want to be an actress, if your plan is to be an actress, start affirming, I'm an actress. Because if you say, yeah, one day I will be an actress, if you keep repeating one day I will be an actress, that's going to be coming one day, every day. But if you already say, I'm an actress, even though you are currently not, one day it will arrive that you are an actress, because you've been affirming that, because you're changing your mindset. And if you believe that you are already an actress, you are an actress. You will be acting like an actress because you believe that. You will be telling people, I'm an actress, because this is what you want to be. Then so be it. Start affirming. Do affirmations. Do vision boards. Do the methods. Do the manifestation methods to get what you want. Therefore, the fourth step is believing. Once you plan and you're doing all this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, you need to believe. You believe by affirming. You believe by taking action also. Because if you have it in your mind, you can start acting like if you can do it, you know? If I believe I'm an actress, I will be auditioning and thinking, I'm an actress, of course I will be doing auditions. I'm an actress, of course people want me to be on their movie. Or if you want to change your job and you want to be a businesswoman, you start telling people, yeah, I'm a businesswoman, so of course I will be going to that conference. Of course I'm a businesswoman. Of course I will be doing this little business for myself. I will be start selling, lashes to people because I'm a businesswoman. So if you have the mindset, you have the attitude. And once you have the attitude, that becomes your reality. If you keep telling yourself, I'm pretty, people will say, yeah, you're pretty. You know that you're pretty. So start affirming, start believing that you will do it, that you will make it, that you are that person that you want, okay? It's not easy, of course, to change your mindset that just like that. But if you take those steps that I'm telling you, that I told you before, you will be step by step believing a little more that you can do that you can have the life that you want. And the final step is to, again, be grateful for what you already have. And by saying be grateful is by saying thanks to what you're going to be becoming. So once you believe that, okay, I'm going to be an actress or I'm going to be a businesswoman, affirm that, okay, I'm a businesswoman, so I'm grateful that I have this opportunity, that I have this, that I have that. And once you are grateful for those things again, you will start seeing the positive things that you already have to become a businesswoman. The opportunities that are coming to you because you believe that you are that girl, you will start seeing the things that are helping you to be that girl. Is that once you believe that you are that girl that you want to become, you need to start being grateful for the things that are coming to you. Even though you don't see it now, you know it is coming. So be grateful for what is coming. And that's also a way to affirm, to get your life even faster. Being grateful, even though you don't see it right now, what's coming for you. Start thanking for the opportunities that are coming to you. Start being grateful for the life that you currently have. Of course, by doing these steps, things won't come like that quick because it takes time. It takes time. You need to realize that sometimes it may take 1 week, it may take weeks, it may take months, it may take years, but you just have to believe that that is coming. And don't be saying, yeah, one day it will come. Just believe that it already has come and be grateful for what it is already coming. And what you already have, what you can see, be grateful for that. And also be grateful for what you don't have. Once you do these all steps, trust that things will work out for you. Don't be giving up the second you don't see any results, like you've done all the manifestation methods and you're thinking, oh my God, it's not coming. You have to be patient. Time is key, and things don't come as quickly because everything takes time. Even though when you're planning and you are planning something in a certain way and things don't end up happening in that way that you wanted, don't give up because it didn't go as planned. Because sometimes things don't go as planned because it will become in better ways, or it is protecting you from something that you don't know. And whatever you want, whatever you wish for, will eventually come in that way or in that other way, but it is eventually coming. Maybe it doesn't come the way as you plan. Maybe it will come in a better way that you couldn't think of. You just have to take into account that everything happens for a reason. Me, I had to go through many failures in my life to actually get me to where I wanted. So I always have this mindset of everything happens for a reason, and whatever happens to me, even though I see it as a failure or as a mistake or as something bad, I tell myself everything happens for a reason. Every breakup that I went through goes for a reason. Every tear that I cried happens for a reason. Every mistake that I made happens for a reason. That's the mindset that you need to have to believe that the life that you want is coming. Okay? Because the minute that one thing goes wrong, the minute you give up, you won't believe that you wish will become true. And that's why I'm optimistic, because I always think that I will end up having the things that I want. I affirm every day that I'm a lucky girl, that I will get the things that I want. And even though right now I'm not living my dream life. Even though I'm not living my dream life, I still affirm that I'm living my dream life, because that day is coming. I'm not affirming, one day I will be famous, one day I will be rich. I'm not affirming that one day. I'm already saying I'm famous, I'm rich. So I hope I explain myself well, because English is not my first language, but I think I did good. And let me know in the comments what you think about this topic and more tips on how to change your life. But I think the most important thing is to change your mindset, because once you change your mindset, you can take action. You can do things subconsciously that will have a better impact in your life because you changed your mindset. Because when I was in high school, I was a little bit pessimistic, but once I changed my mindset, things started to go in well, because I saw things and experience on my life in a positive way. And because of that, I only focus on the good things. And the bad things that happen to me, even though I don't like them, I don't feel good about them, I'm still grateful, because it could be worse, or this is protecting me for something even worse, So the main thing here is to be grateful and to not give up easy. Okay? These are the steps on how to start changing your life. And that's the end of the video. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video.